Hello everyone, so welcome to a new video. This is HFT Gold account, and let me show you our today's trade. Okay, this is the profit 4149, and if you want to have this kind of a same trading on your account within just 2 minutes, you can connect, and we will show you live that how it is possible. So let's first of all just set up the accounts, and let me show you how we can have a complete trading strategy on your account copying. Okay, so currently I have selected all this strategy. Okay, the current is $12,300, but I will show you in the end also that how you can have the access of all this strategy in $50. So let me just click on continue, and I will click on 1 month of trial. I have to add the account number 433890514. Continue to the payment. Okay, now shortly our strategies will be live. Okay, we will have the access of that strategies. We will go to the open dashboard, and I will show you that how you can directly connect this account using Copy Connect, where you don't need any kind of EA or VPS to copy our strategies. Okay, so let me highlight this connect part first of all, and we will click on connect. We have to go to the my account, connect broker. We will put the server, account number, and the trading password. So the thing is that you will have the, full access, like you don't need to give your trading account access to anybody. Directly you can connect, and you will just have a full access of your funds. So you can see the strategy is connected. 31 day it is showing, it is left, and whatever the strategy I want to use directly from here I can use. After then we can renew. As I said, in the end I will show you that how we can get all this strategy in $50 as well. So that option is definitely there. Now on one finger click you can use all these strategies on your account. Let's say we can directly see which strategies currently we can get the premium entry, and we will get the trades of that account going. Currently HFT Gold is trades are not open, but we have a Quanta AI is open here. So we can see $300 floating is there. Okay, here we can see another one, AI Perceptron is also open. So what we can do, we can just select the strategy and we can enter at a premium price. Okay, we have selected this both the strategies. We will click on master copy. As soon as we click on master copy, we will see the copy on account is already there. Okay, whatever the live position is there, it will show in floating profit and loss. And if we go to that particular account, let me show you that account as well. Trades are already taken. So within a 2 minutes itself you can connect these accounts. Okay, and you can make the same strategy. Whatever the profit we are earning, you can replicate the same thing on a one finger click from your mobile phone on your account. Now if you want to book the trades, you just have to click the close copy. That's it, and all the trades will be closed. So these on your finger click, like within a one finger click using your mobile phone, you can manage all of your trades. Multiple strategies you can access it from here. Okay, and you can have your trading going on. So whatever the profit it make, you will get the same profit on your account. So I will show you also that how you can get same profit of all these strategies using a ProBooster. So first of all, okay, these are the testing trades are there. If I click master copy close, all the trades will be closed. We will see copy off. So within a one finger click, all the trades will be closed. So we will go to the account and we see all the trades are closed. So this is how easy it is within a 2 minutes. Now coming to the Pro Booster version, I will discuss all these things in part 2 as well, that within a one single click, okay, you can have access of Pro Booster on your account. Okay, let me show you the Pro Booster version as well. using the $49 package, you can get the $150 of profit. So almost $100 profit instantly within a few hours you can get. So once your 1 week free trial is done, you can use all these strategies on your account in just $50 and make the profit out of it. Thank you so much.